Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Golf R. It's a Golf with a pinch of racing mixed in for good measure. Tasty. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, power driver's seat, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, backup camera, heated seats, air conditioning, dual airbags, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.